Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade cherry jam. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh, ripe cherries, which is roughly 2 pounds. We'll also use 4 cups of granulated sugar to sweeten our jam perfectly. Finally, have 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice ready. It helps with setting and brightens the flavor. These few items are all you need for delicious results. Now, let's get those cherries ready. Begin by washing your 4 cups of fresh cherries thoroughly under cool water. Next, carefully pit each cherry. A cherry pitter makes this task much easier. Once pitted, combine the cherries, 4 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Let this mixture sit for at least 30 minutes to draw out the cherry juices. It's time to cook our delicious jam. Place your pot over medium-high heat and bring the cherry mixture to a full, rolling boil, stirring constantly. Continue to boil, stirring often, for about 10 to 15 minutes. The jam is ready when it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, or when a small dollop gels on a chilled plate. This ensures a perfect set. Finally, let's preserve your wonderful homemade cherry jam. Sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes. Carefully ladle the hot jam into the warm, sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and tighten the bands. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal and safe storage. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.